So you might be wondering, why exactly do I have this piece of cardboard out on my desk? Well, that is because today I'm going to be doing my very first DIY video with these L.O.L Surprise dolls. I'm going to make this one a cheeseburger and this one a french fry. We're going to get turned into cheeseburgers and french fries? Not exactly. You're going to be a cheeseburger doll and you're going to be a french fry doll. Oh, yay! So, before we start, I just wanted to say that this video was inspired by CookieSwirlC's peanut butter and jelly L.O.L Surprise dolls. And they turned out super awesome and cute, so I'm hoping mine turn out super awesome and cute too. So let's get started. First, you're gonna need some paint. There we go. Oh, can't forget about these two. My white and my green. You're also going to need some Mod Podge to protect your dolls for playtime and also give them a nice shiny finish. And then you're going to need a tray to store all of your paints in. And then of course, you're also going to need some paintbrushes. So, owie, I'm sorry, I'm okay. So, first of all, I wanted to get started on Cheeseburger Girl's hair. And as you can see, it is already kind of the same color as this little Squishy Burger's bun. But I just kind of wanted to darken it up just a little bit to make it look more like a real hamburger bun. Okay, so what I'm going to do to mix up Cheeseburger Girl's hair color is I'm going to... Wait! What's going on? I was in the L.O.L Surprise fashion show series, so if you customize me... Oh, it's okay. I just continued the series. Oh, okay. Besides, nobody was really voting anyways. Oh, okay. Well, I'm fine with being turned into a french fry girl. Alright, well let's get started on your little cheeseburger friend first. Ow. Okay, so as I was saying, I'm going to mix up this color with this white color, so that way this color will get a little bit more lighter and it'll look like a little hamburger bun color. So let's get mixing. Okay, well I think this color looks pretty good, so let's get painting. Alright, so I'll take my paintbrush, and then you just start painting the doll's hair. Ooh, that looks like a really nice hamburger bun color. Just paint all around your doll's hair. And she may need a second coat on her hair. Paint, 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 paint everywhere. Everywhere there's hair. She looks really, really cute with this hair color. So now I'm going to use a smaller brush to get into those small little areas there. And as you can see, she may need a second coat because you can kind of see some of the blonde hair showing. So I'm just going to do some small little details right now. Alright, so let's take our paintbrush. Oh. See, I got a little bit on her skin there, but before you do the Mod Podge, you can just kind of scratch it away with a toothpick. Or use nail polish remover on the toothpick too, that also kind of works. Wow, where did my body go? Oh, I just popped her head off so that way it would be easier for the paint to dry, because her body doesn't exactly stay up straight all the time, so yeah, sometimes it just kind of falls down. So anyways, let's get started on center stage, turning her into a french fry girl. So I'm going to use this brilliant yellow... Hey, where are you? You might over here. Okay, well go stand over there, please. Okay, so anyways, I'm going to use this brilliant yellow color, which I know it doesn't exactly look very neon, but if you twist the cap off, look how neon that looks. So it'll be perfect for her little french fry color. Okay, so now dip my paintbrush in And as you can see, she has these little bow hair bands here. So I'm actually going to paint those red, kind of like ketchup and french fries. Alright, so I'm just going to paint her hair yellow though. Oh boy, this is going to take a lot of coats of yellow. I know my paint is pretty thick, but that's going to take a lot of coats. So I actually may have to do a part 2 to this. I'm not sure, but I probably will. So I'm just going to paint everywhere there's hair. And yeah. You can still definitely see the paint coming through on that. So definitely gonna have to do maybe 3, possibly even 4 coats on her hair. Just paint. Alright, so I just popped off little French fry QT's head. So now let's start working on their outfits. I'm gonna start working on my little burger girl's outfit first. So for Burger Girl's shirt, I'm just going to take my hamburger color and just paint the entire thing like that. And also this one might need a couple coats too. And as you can see, I kind of put the little sleeve hole through this paintbrush so it makes it easier to paint. Because you obviously don't want to get paint on your L.O.L Surprise doll's body, because that would be bad. Unless you're trying to make sleeves or gloves or something. And now for the fun part, I'm actually going to make her skirt look like a little burger. So I'm going to take my burger bun color paint and I'm going to paint just the top area. Oof, this is gonna need a couple coats. Oh no, that's okay, we'll be painting over that. Okay. Just keep painting. And then I'm also gonna paint the bottom of this little burger bun color too. Okay, now we're going to go in with this dark brown color for the burger meat. Okay, so let's get started painting the burger meat. Okay, so I'm trying to make it look like a little burger. No, this is not turning out the way I wanted it to, but maybe it will once the paint dries and I can kind of like put more coats on it. I don't know, it's just not turning out the way I wanted it to. Look, it's covering the bottom bun now. Okay, this is gonna need some work. I was also planning on adding lettuce and tomato and cheese onto it, and I don't know, this just isn't really working out. Oh no, this is looking terrible. I may have to rethink my plans. Okay, so I'm just sitting that off to dry. Now let's work on her little shoes. So I'm going to paint her shoes green with brown socks. Okay, so just dip it into the paint and start painting her little shoe. And also, this may need a couple coats too. Instead of keeping that little white area white, I'm just going to paint her entire shoe green. Alright, so now her little shoes are greenish, and I think I'm going to do the brown socks later. Okay, you know what? This video is actually getting a little bit longer than my usual time that I do my videos. So I'm actually going to make a part 2, which will probably be out this Thursday, I think. Yeah, this Thursday. So we're also going to paint little French fry QT's outfit. And one thing that I love about her shoes is that they are already painted yellow. Yay! But I was planning on painting the little pom-poms red, so. Okay, so I'll see you this Thursday in part 2, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye, everybody!